morning, friends. I am Nihanshu Jain with my brother Charitra Jain. Now I give him challenge that he can solve cube in 1.5 minutes or not. Here is our timer and here is our cube. And here is Charitra Jain who can solve cube within 1.5 minutes. Now we call another person to scramble the cube. Now our cube is fully scrambled. Now Charitra Jain is going to solve the cube. So now our timer is going to start. So Charitra Jain, are you ready?
Yes.
So our timer is also ready. Ready, steady, go. Our timer is started, and our cube is also going to solve. His hands are moving so fast. His fingers are very flexible. In our time it is 38 seconds. Almost the second layer has been solved. Seven seconds. At this moment his hands are moving very fast. It is the last movement. The cube is going to over. Done. Our cube has over in 1 minute 12 seconds. He break the challenge and he won the challenge. So the cube has been solved in 1 minute 12 seconds. So thank you friends for watching our video. If you like this video, please subscribe it or like it. To see more videos of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.